Hello everyone. Take a sheet of paper, fold it over multiple times horizontally. After you have made multiple folds, slightly unfold it. Reverse the sheet of paper or change the direction and fold the bottom edge upwards. Fold both of the small edges upwards as well. Fold the paper downwards and make a narrow fold at the bottom. Fold the upper end down. Open up the sheet of paper and make these folds internal. Insert the excess in the crevice that is available. This will give you a bed-like shape. Taking another decorative piece of paper, make the bed sheet of it. You may also make a pillow. Take a white sheet of paper. You may also use a sponge and then use a marker to color it as such. In the center, add a cute little face to it. Put it into a plastic little bag, tie it up at the top. Take a pink sheet of paper and then cut out these triangular shapes out of it. Draw on the outside and then insert them one on top of the other and make a box out of it. Take some gift wrapping paper and then fold in all four edges to make it neat in the center. Fold over the upper lower ends as well as the sides. Open all of the edges except two and then using the folds that you have created, make a box out of it. Fold one of the edges inside to make it a heart-shaped box. Add four of these together. Take some gift wrapping paper, fold in all four edges to make it neat in the center. Reverse the sheet of paper and then fold in two more edges. Reverse the sheet of paper once more and lift out all of the edges. Now fold this sheet of paper, the upper and the lower end, to make it neat in the center. Make a box-like shape out of it as such with two ears. Take a sheet of paper, fold it over horizontally as well as vertically. Make the folds in such a way that they meet in the center. Fold in the corners in different lengths. Now, using the shape that you have created, make the square-like shape. Make sure that your folds are internal and make this diamond-like shape. Lift the bottom edge upwards. Insert one part into the other as such. Fold it outward, the lower end. Make a diagonal fold and make it internal. Take a square sheet of paper and then fold it over diagonally. Make multiple diagonal folds on it as such. Now wrap it in a circular shape, insert one part into the other. Take a strip of paper and line the bottom with this. Take some threads and then add it under a glass jar. Pull one rope through the other as such. Pull it over the side as well and now you can carry. Thank you for watching.